Designed for kayak and SUP anglers needing an easy way to install transducers for transport. Includes 415 slip disc that offers micro adjustments when needed. Swivels 360 degrees. The package weight of the product is 3 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. So good I bought 2. This is much better than sticking it through the scupper hole and risk dragging your transducer across gravel. For me, this actually sits low enough that I can use my side imaging sonar, instead of putting it inside the hole and only getting down imaging. It does cause a little bit of drag, but not enough to even deduct a star. I am actually working on a little bit of a design to put something around it to make it a little bit more smooth in the current. I have a trolling motor on my kayak, so I don't worry about that too much anyway. I misinstalled on a Ocean Big Game Prowler and a Vibe Sea Ghost 130. One thing to mention is when you pull it out, don't forget to push the little button. Lol. The first time I went to remove it I was getting frustrated till my friend realized that there is a button. Holds it very firm, so I don't worry about losing it.